Hey guys, my name is Jaelyn and I'm Marie and Blake's niece. Today I'm going to be taking over their channel Let's Go Exploring. Just kidding, Marie is doing this with me. We're going to be recapping our adventurous weekend we've had so far. So buckle up because we're going to be showing you some interesting things you can find in Southwest Missouri.
That's right, Jaelyn. We're going to discover what makes this spring special here at Roaring River State Park, then off to Silver Dollar City. Stay tuned to see how Blake handles riding Time Traveler with Jaelyn, Silver Dollar City's premier roller coaster, and what other treats we may discover. Now back to the spring at Roaring River State Park. This section of the spring is part of the hatchery that holds the lunkers, the biggest of all the trout that they raise.
I can just pick out one.
It's definitely fun for everyone to feed these trout. Save some food so we go over there on that other side back by the cave.
There's a cave?
Yeah, it's so cool. It's where the spring really comes out.
Are you allowed to go in the cave?
Yeah, well, we're gonna walk right inside it. From here, we have a great view of the rearing pools that are just full of little troutlings.
That's really pretty.
The spring flows from deep within a canyon-like gorge, which is covered in shades of green moss and ferns. More than 20 million gallons of cold, clear water flow from the spring each day into Roaring River. Here, Jaelyn asks Blake how deep the spring is and how does anyone really know. Blake shares that a dive team, Kiss Rebreathers of Fort Smith, Arkansas, made a dive breaking the national record for underwater cave systems at 472 feet with still no bottom in sight. I can't imagine being that far underwater, let alone in an unexplored cave.
I don't know if it's just me, but I think the water looks like blue Gatorade and it's really, really pretty. It was definitely a fun and new experience to see all the trout and feed them. The spring in Roaring River State Park is a beautiful sight to see. The fish that are there are very interesting to see too. Now we took a 1-hour drive to go to Silver Dollar City.
These two just came off of Time Traveler. Jaelyn's smiling.
Not the old man. That was rough. I felt like I was going to fly out of my seat.
Uh-oh.
We didn't even go like a quarter way and you guys, that's only halfway.
Yeah, it stops in the middle and then it starts up again, so I sit down to get my balance.
Okay, well, his first experience was being in the very beginning.
Oh, you guys were at the very end?
See, number 8.
So that's probably.
So you get whipped around a little bit more? Just feel it all? What's that got, like, how many inversions?
If I make this thing pop open every time, I'll go flying out.
But you did it.
After Time Traveler, we thought we needed a snack. We went to a place called Tater Twist and got a tater on a stick. It was very, very good, but what I thought was really interesting is that there was something called powdered ketchup there. I didn't think it would be good, but to my surprise, it tasted just like ketchup in a powdered form. There wasn't just powdered ketchup there was also barbecue, nacho cheese, etc. So if you go, make sure to try your favorite seasoning there because I bet they have it. Next time I come back to Silver Dollar City, I'm definitely going to be eating these again. As we were walking, we saw this game and we wanted to give it a try. It was pretty difficult. It didn't look very hard, so I decided to give it a try. Little did I know it was really hard. After trying and trying, I finally
victory!
made it. It took a lot of time and work. As we walked past Fireman's Landing, I decided why not ride this ride, and it was actually really fun.
If it's a hot day, be sure to cool off on Mystic River Falls.
And that wraps up our day. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and make sure to subscribe.